You know that perfect blue marble photo of Earth from space? Well, I hate to break it to you, but our planet is actually a bit lumpy and weirdly squashed. In fact, if you stood at sea level at the North Pole and then teleported to the equator, you'd be 13 miles farther from Earth's center. Today, we're diving into one of those mind-bending facts that changes how you see our planet. Because Earth, it's not the perfect sphere you learned about in elementary school. It's actually an oblate spheroid with thousands of tiny imperfections. And the reasons why are absolutely fascinating. So let's start with the big one. Earth is spinning. Right now, as you watch this, you're rotating at over 1,000 miles per hour if you're near the equator. And all that spinning creates what's called centrifugal force, pushing everything outward at the middle, kind of like when you spin pizza dough and it spreads out. Isaac Newton actually figured this out back in the 1600s. He calculated that Earth should bulge at the equator and flatten at the poles. And he was right. The diameter at the equator is about 27 miles wider than pole to pole. Earth is literally squashed. But here's where it gets even cooler. The inside of our planet isn't evenly distributed. You've got dense tectonic plates sinking in some places, hot plumes of lighter rock rising in others, massive mountain ranges, and deep ocean trenches. Every single one of these affects gravity in that spot, pulling the shape of Earth just slightly differently. Scientists call the true gravitational shape of Earth the geoid. And if you could see it, it would look like a lumpy potato. Mount Everest rises almost 6 miles above sea level, while the Mariana Trench plunges 7 miles below. These aren't just surface features, they actually warp the gravitational field. And then there's the moon. You know how the moon creates ocean tides? Well, those tidal forces don't just move water around. They actually deform the entire planet, creating bulges in the solid Earth itself. It's like our planet is constantly being gently squeezed and stretched as the moon orbits around us. So next time someone says Earth is round, you can hit them with like, well, actually, it's an oblate spheroid with gravitational anomalies and tidal deformations. Or, just say it's beautifully imperfect, just like everything else in nature.